you on our position regarding yesterday's charade called an election in Bagwai Shanono state constituency. In the building up of the election, the political parties had a peace pact to work towards violence-free election. In this light, all political parties, the All Progressive Congress Party, APC, the New Nigerian People's Party, NPP, and others agreed not to mobilize talks, that is, not to import any person from any other local government. Our rally, which we organized on Wednesday, August 13, was held peacefully, despite the massive crowd that turned out for it from across the two constituencies, i.e. Shanono Bagwai and Gari and Tsanyawa constituencies. Gentlemen of the press, our campaign rally, led by His Excellency, the Deputy President of the Senate, Senator Barrow I. Jibrin CFR, was adjudged by all, including the press, who capped it as one of the prettiest rallies conducted in recent times in our country. However, the following day, under the guise of conducting rally, the NPP imported armed thugs from neighboring states and countries, infiltrated all the wards in Shanono and Bagwai constituency to launch coordinated attacks on supporters of the opposition political parties, particularly the APC. The APC candidate for Shanono and Bagwai state constituency was not spared, as his residents came under attack from these thugs. Disturbingly, the deliberate political brigandage by the NPP reached its highest on the election day, despite our earlier alerts to the security agencies and assurances from the police and DSS that the situation will be brought under control before the commencement of voting. As early as 5 a.m. yesterday, Shanono and Bagwai local government areas was invaded by thousands of armed thugs wielding various dangerous weapons, including guns allegedly recruited from within and outside Kano State, including Birnin Gwari in Kaduna, Kebbi, and Katsina State by the Kano State government and the ruling party in the state, ANPP. They were conveyed in hundreds of trucks and vehicles. When the information reached us, His Excellency, the Deputy Senate President, swiftly reported the matter to the relevant security agencies in both Kano and Abuja to get the criminals arrested or chased away from the forestall the breakdown of law and order before and during and after the election. Before and after the election in the two local government areas and beyond. But before the security operators got there, the criminals had infiltrated the villages. Citing unknown and strange faces in their communities, the residents and voters ran away for safety and relocated to neighboring villages in Gorzo and Beach local governments. We have just been informed that they have started to return to their homes this afternoon. As a result of this, the ANPP took over the polling stations, hijacked the sensitive ballot materials, ballot papers, and result sheets, thumped all the ballot papers and allocated votes for their party. No credible election took place in Shanono and Bagwai constituency. The people of Bagwai and Shanono, who have been patiently waiting for the conduct of the by-election since the demise of their representative, Honorable Halil Ibrahim Kundila, on April 6 last year, were disenfranchised, traumatized, and chased away from their homes by the NPP and their thugs imported from neighboring states and countries even. In view of this, we call on the National Electoral Commission, INEC, to immediately cancel this charade and fix a date for the conduct of fresh and free and fair election for the peaceful, loving people of Bagwai and Shanono state constituency. We appeal to the people of the constituency and our teaming supporters across the state to remain calm and law-abiding. We also urge the security agencies to ensure the prosecution of all the armed thugs who have been arrested in connection with this charade, as well as As we all know, the foundation of any democracy is the right of the people to vote freely, safely, for the candidates of their choice. How can we claim to uphold democracy when citizens are chased away from their homes hours before the election? How can we guarantee the legitimacy of a process overshadowed by threats and chaos, an election marred by violence is no election at all? The integrity of our democratic process is paramount. We owe it to ourselves, to future generations, and to principles of democracy to defend it. Thank you very much, and this is the position of our party. Thank you.